We got the cab in the shop yesterday, the 54 Chevy. Really, really good shape, especially these fenders. That's just really nice. No work. There's no filler, no cutting. They are nice, solid fenders. You know, you got your couple your dings here and there that could be pounded out. I'm gonna come over here and look inside. The glass is decent. It's pretty dirty. It's been under the tarp for a while. Seat frame. Got some parts in here. A couple extension cords. Let's look in here real quick. I was going to check to see. Yes, the gauges, they all worked at this one point. Cab looked like it used to be red. So it's been red and maybe some blue, I think. I saw, yeah, right here. But when I worked on the door, it's got a little orange. Could be red, I don't know, but I think that's orange. So, this is it. The 54 Chevy 5-window. And there's the frame. Shop's a mess right now. And there's the other door over there. This is the frame. Scott's hot rod. Suspension. 4-link. I'll get all that cleaned up and get some pictures later. But today I'm going to kind of maneuver this around a little bit and start the body work.